Welcome to the Auto Lust YouTube channel. And today I gotta come clean, gang. I gotta come clean. Come clean about these. Come clean about this. And come clean about what I've been lying to you guys about. You know, I should be ashamed for hiding this from you guys, but I'm coming clean today.
Perfect.
If you're new to the channel, then you probably don't know I'm currently working on my 1200 horsepower BMW, also named Sasha. 1200 horsepower capable, soon to be BMW X5 named Sasha. She would be wrapped looking like this, but today she's not. And I'm gonna tell you why. And it has something to do with what I've been lying to you guys about, you know. And I'm gonna show you right now. And it hurts me so much to even show you guys this, you know. And let's just jump right into it. And then I'm gonna jump into the good news. But let me show you what I've been lying to you about. So on the last couple episodes, you guys, if you haven't noticed, I haven't been showing you the whole car. I've either been inside, I've either been inside or in the engine bay. You know, big shout out to all of my sponsors. You know, I have a couple more sponsors that I don't have decals for, but as you can see, we got Dining, Boosted Beamers, big shout out to Boosted Beamers, Pure Drive Train Solutions, JBX Performance, Improved Racing. You know, big shout out to those guys. Dining, definitely. You know, so big shout out to those guys. But I haven't been showing you the whole entire car, you know. And the reason why I took the wrap off is to color change it, yes, but I was forced to color change it. So let me show you exactly why. As you can see, the entire side of the car is smashed in all the way back to the rear quarter. Well, almost back to the rear quarter, but it caught some of the, you know, rear fender arch, you know, but it's bad to where both of these doors are gonna need to be replaced because it's damage on the inside. You can see where the inside of the door buckled here, where these stress marks are, you know. So the soft close is intermittent now. It doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you know. So I think those the soft close is going bad on the car. But I mean, hey, you can still see the design, how it was wrapped. If you look good enough, you can see where the design was. But yeah, this is the reason, and I've been hiding it from you guys. The main reason I've been hiding this, because we've been through so much. You know, if you a day one subscriber, you guys know how much stuff we've been through, from, you know, throwing $6,000 down the drain on the Hellraiser Performance transmission to all type of other stuff, you know. But hey, I mean, it is what it is. You see the transmission cooler doing this thing, you know, 123. And it's what, how hot it is out here. It is, hold on, let me focus that, 93 degrees. So yeah, the transmission cooler definitely doing this thing. And if you don't know about the transmission cooler, my transmission cooler is in the rear now of the car. If you can see the two fans there, you know, I'll put the link down in the description to see that video. But, you know, no matter how the car looks, you know, we still made it here, gang. Auto Lust gang, we still made it here. You know, I have the inner chiller on cabin and engine. It's not in drag race mode. If I had it on drag race mode, it'd be ice on the inner coolers, but it's still frost on everything, and everything's sweating, so she's still getting cold air. that was really the main thing. You know, I didn't want to come at you guys with more bad news, even though everybody say, you know, you roll with the punches. That's what it's supposed to be, you know, keep everybody informed, you know, the good and the bad. You know, I just didn't want this on the channel, you know. I mean, it is what it is. I was sideswiped, you know, somebody wasn't paying attention, they sideswiped me. I mean, it is what it is, you know. It's getting fixed. We got brand new doors and stuff coming in, and she will be getting rewrapped. This time she's gonna have a full wrap, you know, and it's gonna be gorgeous. I'm not gonna spoil that surprise though, but let's get to what's in here. As you guys can see, let me move that out the way. These are 8 brand new fuel injectors. Brand new, never been used. Let me pop one of those open. EU6 fuel injectors, not even open. All brand new. As you know, we had injector problems after we put in the Dynon coils and plugs. We still had injector problem on cylinder 4, so that means replace all the injectors. But I'm sorry, gang, I'm taking these injectors back. As you can see, I have a return slip here, and it says the reason is accidental order, you know, and I'm sending them back. I'm not doing the injectors, gang. You know, I canceled that. I'm not doing the injectors anymore. Psych, I'm not doing them with EU6. I'm gonna do them with EU5. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why I'm gonna do them with EU5 injectors in a minute. The reason I'm getting rid of the EU6 injectors, well, sending them back and getting the EU5 is, man, it's hot out here. It's really 93 degrees, but the reason I'm getting rid of the EU6 and going to the EU5 is, if you know, you know. But if you don't, I just figured out this secret sauce. The EU5 injectors flows 33% more fuel than the EU6. What does that mean? That means more ethanol, more power. So I'm definitely going with the EU5. Before you go down in the comments and say, hey, you can't put EU5 injectors in a car that was made for EU6, you can't code them, it doesn't work. False information. My tuner has 6 or 7 cars already running EU5 injectors. The M5, the M3, the M4, the N55, all of those cars, all the straight 6 engines come with EU5 swap kits because they make more fuel. You know, they flow more fuel for more power. You know, all of them are the same injector. So we're switching over to the EU5. My tuner said he already knows how to calibrate it, you know, for scaling and all of that stuff. We're gonna pop them in, code them in with ISTA, and then get the tune ready. So I'm sending those out Monday morning, you know, to get those EU5 injectors here so Sasha can make buttloads of power. You know, because I mean, if she's built for 1200 horsepower, you know, she's actually built for 1500 horsepower. That's what the engine is rated for, you know. But on the safe side, we're gonna shoot for 12, you know. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. But this is an upgraded EKP M3. You know, my car is a 2015, so it has the older model. It's 2 models before this one. This is the most updated EKP, and what this does is, since I have a stage 3 low pressure fuel pump, this EKP controls that, you know. And I also have another sponsor that's gonna help me with this to control our low pressure fuel pump the correct way, you know. And I'm gonna let you know about that sponsor when it comes in and I install this EKP, which on the F85, F86 is right here. As soon as you pop this cover up, the seat cover is right here up under this bolster. So we're gonna install that way we don't have to worry about our fuel pump control module going bad on us on the racetrack, on the highway, and the entire car shuts off. And I also ordered a cooling kit for this EKP, and when that comes in and I install it, I'm gonna do a review on that too. Man, she looks good in black. I'm gonna have to ride her for 30 days at least being black, because the paint needs to cure and outgas for 30 days before you can put any wrapper on it. But gang, when you see the new wrap I have planned for her, she's gonna be so gorgeous. You know, another big shout out to all of the sponsors for this build. You know, if you don't know, this build has a fully forged transmission that's about 70% billet parts in the transmission plus upgraded clutches, billet parts in the transfer case, you know, forged parts in the engine, soon to be upgraded rear axles, forged rear axles. I mean, this car is an animal, you know. This car is a world's first as it stands, you know. But I really want to apologize to you guys for, you know, hiding it from, you know, and stuff like that. But I mean, this what I was hiding. Big boy damage. I hate seeing it like this, but you know, don't worry, that ain't gonna stop nothing. Oh, and I also have something special planned for the rear of the car, and I might have another special part for the front, you know, directly from the B58. And it's what helped make the B58 make all of that power. And I might can get it for this car. I'm working with a company to get that switched over from the B58 engine into the S63. So I mean, it's so much stuff that's coming for this car, you know. I can't wait. But like I said, gang, we not stopping. On the next episode, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully I have those injectors in time so we can install those EU5 injectors and get ready to get this baby tuned, man. It is what it is, gang. I definitely wanted y'all to know what was going on. Quick update, like, share, and subscribe, and Auto Lust out.